Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we are back with another video. So today's video is this super cute 16-inch water wave pre-braided, honey. Yes, I said pre-braided install, sponsored by Yolissa Hair. Like I said, yes, you heard me right. This wig came pre-braided. Pre-braided, pre-plucked, pre-parted, all that. All I had to do was just tint the lace, put on a little lace adhesive spray, tack this girl on, and then I put in a little claw clip, and look at me. Look at me, look at me. You looking? I even added some little tendrils, like it's giving. She's taking it all the way, all the way. Look, if you want the details to this unit, which, yeah, stick around. But before you go, as always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on a few.
Best friend, me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never find myself.
All right, so like I said earlier, today we're working with Yolissa Hair again. It's been a little second since we worked with them, I think. But I'm excited to see what they sent me. A bunch of goodies as usual. Oh, these are cute. They sent me some lashes, a satin edge wrap, a Yolissa Hair wig band, some wig caps, and this new like sticky tape that you can use on the sides of your installs. That way it can just remain glueless up here. So you just like stick these stickers like this, and then you put the lace on top and it'll just stay right there, and then everything else can be glueless. So thank you for these. Excited to try those. Okay, so let's open up this wig. We are working with 180% density, a 13x4 lace front. It's is this braided? Yes, this is pre-braided. Let me just show y'all. Look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. Oh, that eats. And then of course it's also pre-plucked, pre-parted, and we have our wig band in here. We have our security combs, all of that. I am going to tint this and then we're gonna get right into it. All right, our lace is tinted. Let me show you what this looks like up against my hand. I think that's gonna blend pretty nicely. All right, let's put it on. This is cute. Okay. Again, we're working with 16 inches today. I think this is a really cute length. So, we need to cut our earpieces. All right, one ear done. Second ear also done. Okay, so now that it fits properly, I'm gonna grab a wax stick and I'm gonna wax back these flyaways. That way they don't get caught in the glue. Later, I'll run a hot comb over this just to melt that wax that's on the hair. Roll this back, and we're just gonna apply a little bit of lace adhesive. I'm gonna bring out a fan just to dry this real quick. Just going to pull this forward and place the lace right on top of the glue. Get side one. And start pressing the lace into the glue. Like so. I like to use a hard bristle brush to do this because I also find that it makes sure the hairs are nice and snatched as well along the hairline. And then we're gonna do side two. Trying to hold both sides down at the same time is low-key an extreme sport, but it's fine. So as you can see, that's kind of sticking on its own now. That means the lace is bonding to the spray. Now I'm going to cut the lace so I can put my wig band on. One piece of lace is cut. Let's do the next side. Okay, so both sides have been cut. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of spray adhesive and I'm going to secure any pieces of lace that didn't originally get glued down. right on top of the lace, and then grab my fan and just work that down. You have to move quickly and make sure it dries quickly because you don't want the moisture to make your lace lift all the way up. So that is nice and dry. And as you can see, that helped start to melt the lace because we were pushing the edges down into my skin. We might do a melt after this, but this is just preliminary. Pull this kind of tight, that way everything gets pressed down. So I don't think I have to do any work to define the curls, which is nice because it already came pretty defined. So now I just need to figure out, I guess, kind of like what hairstyle I want to do. It's already like pulled up for me, but then I also kind of wanted to like take some hair right here and bring that down in front. Two cute little tendrils. I'm gonna roll this down. Alrighty. I cannot believe this came braided. Like, that is so crazy. I can't tell if I want to do the two tendrils in the front, but we'll figure it out. I feel like I'll know when I take my lace off. So I'm gonna put the claw clip in. That's fake kind of cute. Let's take off this wig band. I think our lace should be good. Ooh, all right, lace is set. We got our little earpieces out. Now it's time to decide, do I want the tendrils in the front? I think I do. Okay, so we are going to take this out. I don't think I'm at risk of ruining the braids because where I'm gonna take the hair out from is gonna be like about right here. I'm literally just gonna go like this. Pull that right on out. Straight like that. Same thing for this side. Just pull that right on out. See if that's equal. Pretty much. I'm not mad at that. And then we're gonna have to hot comb it down a little bit so it can actually stay. Let me try not to burn my forehead. There we go. Yeah, that's really cute. I like that a lot. Great decision. Great decision all around. I don't know why I'm doing that accent. Okay, now we're gonna get the hair back. I think that really complements the braids nicely too. And it just shows off like how nicely you can part this hair because this lace looks like scalp. Oh, I'm in love. Like I said, we are pulling this ponytail tight using the strength of our ancestors, child. Okay, cool. Do we even need the claw clip? Hold on. I feel like I might still put it there just to be cute. You know. I also probably need to wrap some hair around. Hold on. I'm gonna get some spray and just spray that right there. That way the hair can kind of stick. Just follow me, y'all. Follow me. I hope I don't look like a samurai, but if I do, maybe we'll be a cute samurai. And then I'm gonna take my little claw clip. All right, a little claw clip. Because I feel like that'll give my ponytail a little bit more volume, like help it stand up a little bit more. Exactly. Y'all see it? I told you to follow me. Love. That is so cute. She's taking it, honey. She's taking it. I'm gonna take a little bit of foundation and just press that into the parts of the lace that, like, you know, being a little stubborn. And you don't need too much, just a little bit. And we're done. This is so cute. I'm so happy I went with this hairstyle, first of all. The hair quality is amazing. The lace melted so nicely. And I love that this came pre-braided. Like, that is so freaking cute. They ate. I don't even know how to braid. So this coming pre-braided for me is amazing. I don't know how I'm gonna get it like this again after I take this wig off and wash it, but we don't need to worry about that. I'm going to have all the details to this unit down below in the bio for y'all. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I got you. I will respond as quickly as I can. Again, this is a 13x4 HD lace frontal, water wave, pre-braided, all that good stuff. Shout out to Yolissa Hair for sending me this unit to try. Y'all ate with this, like, y'all ate with this for sure. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you super cute content like this. You feel me? Okay. Again, thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all later.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself.